The New Mexico Attorney General said what his investigation found was alarming. That even after the state issued health warnings about COVID-19, he says so many warnings were ignored. New Mexico Attorney General Hector Balderas tells us his review found there were multiple failures when it came to protecting residents at La Vida. That the management failed to notify residents what was happening here. Residents and staff had tested positive for COVID-19. Many staff, he said, didn't have proper protective gear, and those who did were told not to wear it so residents wouldn't be alarmed. And Balderas says even medical workers who were treating patients were not informed those patients had COVID-19 or had been exposed to it.
What I found was alarming. First is that residents could have and should have been warned about this outbreak much sooner. Secondly, certain medical providers were not told in a timely manner that there was confirmation of a COVID outbreak.
AG Balderas said even after the state issued health warnings about gatherings and groups, the facility still had an open dining hall. The Attorney General tells me his investigation is both civil and criminal and is ongoing. Nancy Laughlin, KOAT Action 7 News.
And La Vida just issued a statement. It reads in part, "It is surprising the New Mexico Attorney General has chosen to release incomplete findings of an investigation he describes as in progress, and to send those preliminary findings directly to the media before anyone at La Vida had the opportunity to review those findings." Nancy, of course, will have the latest on this developing story at 6.